Welcome to Kumbasoft DPAA tutorials. This tutorial is about a really nice feature. It gives you the ability to poll logs until a match is found. So be sure to set your video playback to high definition, and though some visual details of DPAA may have changed since this video was created, their functionality will be the same. So to get started with this, I've selected a couple of appliances. I've selected my default domain, and I'm on the default log. This is all we'll need to demonstrate this feature. Over in the search expression, I've typed an unusual expression. It's the word Godzilla. And if I search the logs at this point in time, as you might see that I'm not going to get anything in these logging entries as you might expect, or as one might hope, searching for such a phrase. The idea of the feature of polling logs until a logging entry is found. It is based upon the idea that sometimes you're searching for a rare condition. And if that rare condition occurs, you want to be able to see the logs when that happens, though you may not have direct control over how to replicate that condition inside of your transactional environment. So to solve this problem, we open the filter screen, and there's an option here that says poll until results match. And then we also have a poll delay. So the polling delay says we're going to poll every 5 seconds after the logs have been pulled. Let me clarify. Let's suppose it takes 20 seconds to pull the logs from the appliances and display the information here based upon the search expression and everything else we have selected. Keep in mind, I can have many logging targets selection, I can have many domains selected, and I can have many appliances selected, so it may take some period of time for those logs to be actually polled. Once it finishes that polling cycle, it will wait this period of time in milliseconds before it polls again. I'm going to click OK. So now I can start the searching, as we stated before. And now we're searching the logs for the same phrase we did before in the same way we did before. But watch the screen very carefully. It will go through the logging search as we are doing it now. And watch over here on the left-hand side of the screen that it's going to say, hey, I wouldn't search for that, but it's waiting to be able to poll, see no logs matched, resubmitting due to continuous polling. So in a few seconds, it's polling again. Now that was the 5-second wait that we had configured in the filter screen. So DPAA is going to continuously do this until such time it finds a logging entry that matches the expression that we're searching for. So the benefit of that is it doesn't keep polling after it finds the expression. Otherwise, you could lose the log if the logs rotate too quickly. Because DPAA pulls the logs off of the appliances and displays them, once it completes finding the log match it found, it will stop polling at that moment and no more polling will occur. Notice down here it says found at least one match. Continuous polling remains on. That means the auction is still on, but no more polling will occur this cycle. What that means is it has found what you're looking for, and it's displaying that information here. Now you can mix and match this with much other information within the screen, such as case sensitivity, using regular expressions in the search field, following transactions or following global transactions to be able to make for every kind of search that you want to be able to make and get the most information out of your appliances that you may be able to get to resolve whatever problem you might be having. That's all we have for this video. You want to see more tutorials and features of the DPAA product? Go out to www.kumbasoft.com. You can go to the Features and Tutorials page and see many other tutorials we have available for you. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.